Okay, chapter. It is an honor to be here and be able to share the love of February month. Kaya tinawag to na Love Drive. Kasi because of February month, yung plano sana namin is outside dito sa area nyo is to serve the community. But kasi nga malapit na din ang anibersaryo ng chapter ng San Ramon.
Mamaya!
Bukas kaya we connect our activity together with the San Ramon chapter. Palakpakan naman natin. Sana you would cherish this moment and you would acknowledge our presence. Kami po ang Tau Gamma Pi, Tres Quilon de Zamboanga City Council. We are going to be part of your day-to-day to share the lunch or this food with you guys. And sana po ma-appreciate nyo. Kahit konting bagay lang to, pero we always acknowledge yung mga senior citizen group natin. Kahit ano man nangyari sa buhay natin, lagi natin aalalahanin na may second chance na bibigay sa atin si Lord kasi Allah. And sana po, hiling ko na we wish you well. Sana paglaya nyo, huwag nyo kalimutan na kahit papano na may namit kayo mga Tau Gamma or yung Tres Quilon group namin. I would like to turn over the floor to our West Coast District Chairman for a short message. Let's give it up to West Coast Chairman.
Good afternoon everyone. First of all, nagpapasalamat ako sa taas dahil sa araw na ito. Especially din sa mga Grand Tres Quilon ng West Coast District at saka sa Grand Tres Quilon ng San Ramon, Tol Anthony Rayju. Bigyan natin. Lahat ng GP and nag-support din sa amin sa thank you. So yun lang, salamat talaga.